Sixth graders, we are going to work on the classic cowboy song, Home on the Range. This is about the life of being a cowboy out west. Hopefully you've heard this before. It can use your knowledge of how it sounds to help guide you in playing it. We're going to begin at what's called the chorus. Look halfway down the page and you're going to see the word chorus. Chorus means it's the main theme of the song. And if you recall how it goes home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Oh my goodness. So that's the part we're working on, and I'm sorry I had to sing that for you, but now that you heard that, maybe you're like, I do know this song. Take a look at the chorus. The first thing I want you to identify is what you see where it says MF. This is what we call a dynamic marking, and it's going to tell us how loud or soft to play. Some of you may already know your dynamic markings well, but some of you may not. This dynamic marking, we would say mezzo forte, and it means medium loud. Let's take a look at another thing that comes into this song. First of all, there's some guy running around in the middle of it. Just ignore him. That's like super confusing. Why do they have a guy? I don't know. You should never run with your instrument anyway. Well, here is the other kind of note you might see in your music. It's called a dotted quarter note. A dotted quarter note gets a beat and a half, equals 1.5. And when we play this note, you're going to notice that I'm going to be saying 2 and 3 while we're playing it. Then afterwards, after the dotted quarter note, there is this note. It might look like this as well. Hopefully that's a good drawing. These are eighth notes, individual eighth notes, and they get half a beat. So when you put these two together, I'm going to go ahead and go with a stem up. When you put these two together, they equal 2 beats total. And in the music, you're going to hear me count, once again, 2 and 3. And when we play this note, I'm going to say end. This is a tricky little thing that you're going to want to make sure you are counting carefully. Finally, there are 5 curved lines, really big ones. Maybe they go under the notes, maybe they go over the notes. These curved lines are connecting notes that are the same pitch. They don't change. So the first curved line at the chorus is the note B. This note, you're going to hold for whatever the dotted half note plus the half note are worth together. What is that? If you're thinking it's 5, you are right. You only pull one bow. It is a tie and you hold it like one long note. So keep this in mind when you see all the different curved lines. Don't forget to do the fermata at the end. The fermata is that dotted curved line above the last note. That means to hold it forever. Well, until you feel like you've held it long enough or the conductor cuts you off. There's a lot of fun things to learn in this song. Make sure you pay close attention. Cello basses in 6th grade, this is your Home on the Range lesson number 1. We are going to be starting on the 5th line called the chorus. Now, as you can see, cellos, you get to work on your G string notes, these notes we've been learning. Make sure you identify where your fingers need to go. Be very, very thoughtful about that. And then basses, you need to make sure to remember to use C natural on the A string. Let's go ahead and what we're gonna do, I'm gonna play line number 5, and I want you to repeat it after me, okay? And we're gonna try and make sure we're in the right beat and tempo and all our rhythms are good. Let me start. We're in 3/4 time, 3 beats per measure. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Down, 2. Stay going down, 2. Stop there. Join me. Ready? Where it says chorus. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Do you guys know this song? This is Home on the Range. Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and when the skies are not cloudy all day. I think that's this song. I forgot to play that for you. Let's do that line one more time, the chorus line, and stop after the tie. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 counts. 2, 3. 1, 2. Stop there. Next line. Listen to me play it. 1, 2. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Same bow. All going up. Join me. Set your bow at the tip, starts on an up bow, or middle of the bow is fine too. Ready, and together. G, 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 F sharp, G, up bow A, 1, 2, 3, 5 counts, 4, 5. Good. I'm gonna move my baby down so I can see. 2. Second to last line. Starts again on an up bow. Careful the rhythms. Here I go, you can repeat when I repeat, or you can start when I repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's do it together now. Up bow begin. You can start in the middle or the tip. Ready and go. Open, G, A, half note, 3 and 1, 2, 3, half note. Stop there. Now let's do the final line. Listen to me play it. 1, 2, hold forever. That fermata. Join me. Bottom line, ready and go. B, F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, and good. Work this area. Maybe you want to repeat this with me. So this video, now what we're going to do in Home on the Range is we're going to start at the third measure in each line, starting where the chorus is at. So the third measure of the line that has the chorus down is a curved line, a tie. We're going to play the third measure and the fourth measure of that line, and then go to the next line, just the first note. Listen to me do it, and you can do it after I do it. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Join me now. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Very good. go to the line we ended on, find that third measure, up bow start, do the same thing. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, up bow, 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's do it again. Set your bow in the middle to the tip and push and up bow. Ready, here we go. Up, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Third measure of the second to last line, the line we just landed on. Starts on an E. Let's see it. It starts on an up bow. Up bow. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, half note, 3 and 1. That's a tricky one. Starting on an up bow, third measure of the second to last line. Ready, and go. Up, down, up, half note, 3 and 1. Let's do that one more time. Ready, up bow start, and go. Up, 2, 2, or 4. Sorry, cellos, I said 2, and you have to do a 4. Again, practice this area now. The next video, we're going to put it all together. You're ready to put it together for Home on the Range, the cowboy anthem. Here we go from the chorus. We're going to really count carefully and make sure we play C naturals and really know our ties, holding our bows on those curved lines for 5 whole beats. Here we go. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Slow bow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, and release. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Slow your bow down. 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Slow that bow down. Hold it as long as you can. How long can you hold it? That was the hawk in the distance of the Wild West. Caw, caw. Maybe they found water, or maybe one of the cattle didn't make it through the windstorm. Imagine a lot probably happened with all those cowboys out west.